Let's settle the debate. Stocks versus real estate. What's the best way to build long-term wealth? Real estate is tangible and can generate cash flow, but it demands capital, time, and hands-on effort. Stocks, meanwhile, offer accessibility, simplicity, and powerful compounding growth. No landlord headaches required. Today, I'll break down 10 data-backed reasons why stocks are the superior choice for most people seeking long-term wealth. Let's dive in. When we look at long-term investment strategies, it's crucial to consider historical performance. The S&P 500, a benchmark for the U.S. stock market, has consistently delivered impressive results. Over the decades, it has averaged about 10% annual returns, showcasing the power of equity investments. This remarkable growth reflects the overall expansion and innovation within the American economy. Now let's compare that to real estate. While real estate is often touted as a solid investment, its appreciation typically hovers around 3 to 4% annually. This rate barely beats inflation, meaning the real purchasing power of your investment doesn't increase significantly over time. So, while your property might be worth more in nominal terms, its actual value, adjusted for inflation, sees only modest gains. Leverage in real estate through mortgages can indeed boost returns, potentially making it seem more attractive. By using borrowed money, you can control a larger asset and amplify your gains. However, it's essential to remember that leverage is a double-edged sword. While it can magnify returns, it also magnifies risk and costs. Higher interest rates, property taxes, maintenance expenses, and the potential for vacancies can quickly erode your profits and even lead to losses. Over decades, the compounding difference between a 10% annual return and a 4% return is absolutely massive. The power of compounding, where your earnings generate further earnings, accelerates significantly at higher rates. This difference can translate into hundreds of thousands of dollars or even millions over the long run. The earlier you start investing and the higher your returns, the more dramatic the impact of compounding becomes on your overall wealth accumulation. Stocks let you own a slice of the global economic engine, participating in the growth of companies and industries worldwide. This diversification reduces risk and exposes you to opportunities beyond your local market. By investing in stocks, you're positioning yourself to grow your wealth efficiently, taking advantage of the potential for higher returns and the power of compounding. This approach can help you achieve your long-term financial goals, whether it's retirement, financial independence, or simply building a secure future. If you want the highest long-term returns, history says stocks win. While past performance is not a guarantee of future results, it provides valuable insights into the potential of different asset classes. Let's move to the next advantage and explore further how stocks can help you achieve your financial aspirations. The allure of real estate passive income often overshadows the reality. While the idea of collecting rent checks sounds appealing, the day-to-day grind is far from passive. Think late-night repairs, unexpected maintenance costs that eat into your profits, tenant issues, from complaints to evictions, which can be emotionally draining and financially taxing, and constant management, requiring your constant attention and problem-solving skills. It's a job, not a passive investment. With stocks, especially well-chosen index funds or reliable dividend stocks, the story is different. You conduct your research, make your investment decisions, buy once, and then let your money work diligently for you, without the constant need for intervention. Dividends are deposited automatically into your account, providing a steady stream of income, and you can reinvest them effortlessly with zero effort through a dividend reinvestment plan, further compounding your returns. No demanding tenants, no unexpected repairs, no stressful property management headaches. Just true hands-off income that requires minimal involvement after the initial setup. Stocks scale effortlessly, allowing your wealth to grow exponentially over time, freeing your valuable time and energy to pursue your passions and enjoy life to the fullest. For genuine passive income that truly allows you to step back and enjoy the fruits of your labor, stocks are unmatched in their efficiency and ease. Next, let's talk about the crucial aspect of liquidity, which is another significant advantage of stocks. Stocks are liquid. You can sell any amount, anytime, and have cash in days. Real estate? Selling takes months, costs thousands, and depends on market conditions. You can't sell a bathroom for quick cash, you're stuck with the whole property. Stock investing gives you flexibility and control, letting you manage risk and seize opportunities. Liquidity is a huge advantage for financial freedom. Now let's look at accessibility. The world of investing can seem daunting. filled with complex jargon and high barriers to entry. But the truth is, getting started with stocks is far more accessible than many people realize. Anyone, regardless of their financial background, can begin their journey towards building wealth in the stock market. You don't need a fortune to participate. With just a few dollars, fractional shares make it possible. These bite-sized pieces of ownership allow you to invest in companies even if you can't afford a full share. It's a game changer that democratizes investing. Opening a brokerage account is surprisingly simple. You can do it in minutes, no massive savings or credit checks required. The barriers to entry are incredibly low, making it easy for anyone to get started. Forget about lengthy applications and intrusive financial inquiries. Now let's compare this to other investment options. Real estate, for example, demands tens of thousands upfront for down payments, closing costs, and reserves. The financial commitment is substantial, often requiring years of saving. Most people are priced out of real estate from the start. The dream of homeownership can feel unattainable for many due to these high initial costs. Stocks, on the other hand, let you build wealth gradually, no matter your income. You can start small and increase your investments over time as your financial situation improves. Accessibility makes stocks the go-to for everyday investors. It's a level playing field where anyone can participate in the growth of successful companies. Let's talk diversification. Spreading your investments across different stocks can help reduce risk and improve your overall returns. With one index fund, you own hundreds or thousands of companies across industries and countries. If one sector struggles, others can offset the loss. Your risk is spread out. Real estate? Most people can only afford one property, tying all their money to one location. True real estate diversification takes millions and a management team. Stocks offer instant global diversification for anyone. That's a huge safety net. Stocks held over a year are taxed at lower long-term capital gains rates, often 15% or less. Many dividends also get this favorable tax treatment. Real estate rental income is taxed as ordinary income, and depreciation recapture can hit hard when you sell. Real estate tax breaks exist, but they're complex and can backfire. Stocks keep taxes simple and efficient, letting more of your gains compound. Next, let's talk hidden costs. Real estate is full of surprise expenses: repairs, property taxes, insurance, and more. A cash flow property can quickly become a money pit. With stocks, your only cost is a tiny expense ratio. No maintenance, no emergencies. You'll never get a call about a broken water heater. Your investment grows predictably with no hidden bills. Stocks are stress-free and transparent. Now let's see how technology changes the game. Investing in stocks is now fully digital apps. Let you buy, automate, and manage portfolios in minutes. Robo-advisors handle everything from rebalancing to reinvesting dividends. Real estate still requires manual work, property visits, repairs, and endless paperwork. No app can fix a leaky roof. Stock investing is streamlined, efficient, and accessible from anywhere. That's a massive time saver. Real estate relies on leverage. Borrowing amplifies gains but also losses. If the market drops, you could owe more than your property is worth. Stocks don't require debt. Your risk is limited to your investment. No foreclosure, no monthly payments, no risk of losing more than you put in. For most people, less leverage means less stress and safer wealth building. Let's talk about your most valuable asset: time. Stock investing is set it and forget it, automate, then focus on your life. No late night calls, no tenant drama, no constant worry. Your wealth grows quietly in the background, freeing your time and mind. Real estate is a second job, always something to fix or manage. The real goal is freedom, not just money. Stocks let you build wealth without sacrificing your life. That's the ultimate win. For most people, stocks deliver higher returns, true passive income, and unmatched flexibility. They're accessible, diversified, tax-efficient, and stress-free, thanks to technology. Real estate can work, but it's hands-on and high barrier. If you want scalable, consistent wealth with minimal hassle, stocks are the clear winner. Are you team stocks or team real estate? Share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more no-nonsense wealth-building advice.